What's the meaning of conifer? Conifer. Conifer.
Conifer. Conifer. A conifer is a type of tree that produces cones and has needle or scale-like leaves. This group of trees includes many species, such as pine, spruce, fir, cedar, and cypress. Conifers are often used in landscaping and forestry due to their evergreen nature and ability to grow in harsh conditions. They are also a valuable source of timber, pulp, and paper products. As some of the oldest trees on Earth, conifers have played an important role in shaping our planet's ecosystems and have cultural significance in many societies.